पहाड़ी इलाकों में बर्फबारी हुई है, उसका असर जो है वो साफ दिल्ली में देखा जा रहा है। जी सिमरन।
Well, in fact, Aditya, as also it remains to be seen in the kind of arrangements that authorities will be making in an alert manner to also refrain from, in fact, giving the kind of rise to the accidents that are especially been seen witnessing a spike during the extensive fog. Now, Mehndi Garg is also joining me live from, in fact, the national capital. Mehndi, as my colleagues have also given already the glimpse of how severe the fog in the national capital looks like. From the area you are reporting, kindly tell us, in fact, the traffic congestion that you can see, and also when we are talking about the visibility, how far is, in fact, our eyes can see from different parts of the national capital, owing to the complete blanket of fog that continues to engulf different sectors.
Well, indeed, Simran, we are at India Gate right now, and Delhi woke up to, engulfing fog today. You can see the visuals also here. The India Gate is not visible. There is no visibility as such of the India Gate right now, and you can see the vehicles also. There is a decrease in the number of vehicles also because of the reduced visibility. This is the part of the national capital which considers to be the central Delhi, and here the number of vehicles have dropped down, but still there are some parts of the Delhi where the visibility is completely reduced to the level of zero. And if we can show the visuals opposite side also, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is also not visible. The Kartavya Path is completely engulfed in the layer of thick fog, you can see. And talking about the temperature today, Simran, then it has been dropped down to the levels of 8 degrees, which decrease further more in later nights and early in the mornings. And the temperature has been observed to drop down to the levels of 3 to 4 degrees as well in the later night and in the early mornings also. And the traffic, if we talk about the traffic situations, then yes, due to the dropping down of the temperatures and the reducing visibility, the number of vehicles have been dropped down in the national capital also, and people are commuting while their lights are on. You can see the visuals also here that people who are commuting on a daily basis right now, due to the increased level of fogs, both of the lights are on for the safety measures of the people also, because we can say that fog is one of the major segment that plays a very important role in the accidents that occur. And it is very saddening also, because this kind of situation is very alarming, and very people also should take care of these situations very strongly. So yes, NewsX viewers who are watching us, we'll also tell them to take care of themselves, because right now the temperature is very down, very decreased level to the 8 to 9 degrees Celsius. And in the upcoming days also the temperature will drop down, because according to the IMD also, Simran, the temperature in the upcoming days will drop down furthermore. And there is a sense that around on 5th or 6th January there can be droplets or a little bit of rain that can be observed in the national capital as of now. So yes, the temperatures will be dropping down in the further days also. And IMD has also issued an orange alert in the national capital because of the situations that are being observed right now, because the visibility at India Gate at the Rashtrapati Bhavan is also very less as of now. Yes, Simran.
Details and giving us